Hello friends, today I'd like to share a very interesting thing. We all know that I love you is a very common phrase in our life. But do you know what is the code of this phrase in mathematics? It is 143. 143 is based on the number of letters in each word of the phrase. I 1, love 4, you 3. The shorthand, as the story goes, dates back in early 1900 from minor sledge lighthouse off the coast of Cohasset, Massachusetts. The story begins in 1895 when the lighthouse changed its flash pattern after a recommendation that all lighthouses have numerical flash sequences. The order 1 quick flash, 4 flashes, then 3 flashes was apparently chosen. In 1915, a new assistant lighthouse keeper, Winfield Scott Thompson, came to the Miners Lace lighthouse. His family lived on a neighboring island and could see the flash of the lighthouse at night. According to the legend, Mary Thompson, Winfield's wife, told their children that it was the I love you flash. Their father's way of telling them how much he loved them from across the water. Each flash corresponded to the number of the letters in each word of the phrase, I love you. This tale proved very popular so that the Miners Lace Lighthouse is nicknamed as the I Love You Lighthouse. Thank you for watching.